like reader. And Sudha Murthy வந்து ரொம்பவே நான் முதல்ல சொன்ன மாதிரி அவங்க சிம்பிளா எழுதுவாங்க இங்கிலீஷ்ல. That's what I like it.
Thank you.
Thank you. By the way, I didn't expect that question.
I'm M. Anuj of 6A. What are all the goals you dream about?
Right. So I have totally 3 goals. My first goal is to start a baking institute. I think so they must have said in the introduction. So I want to start a baking institute for the underprivileged children who can't study. So there'll be talented bakers to teach them. So that's my first goal. My second goal is to, I said about my baking kit, right? You heard it, I think so. So I want to get my baking kit throughout India, throughout the world, globe. And my third and final goal is I want Four Seasons Pastry to be the #1 brand in the food industry as well as the baking industry globally. These are my goals.
Good evening. I am BP Amrita of class 7. I wanted to ask, you achieved something very huge at a very young age, and we all feel very amazed to see you in such a position. How do you feel about your victory, and what other things you wish, what are all the other passions you wish you could develop?
Okay, fine. Okay, I appreciate that. Oh, okay. I see in the confidence speaking itself. Yes. So, yeah, thank you for the wishes, and I feel very proud to see that victory, and I hope you will also come up again like that, and all the interest you find in yourself. And as you asked, actually, that I think so. I have a lot of passions. I love reading books. I like badminton. I like dancing. I like singing, and I also do skating. I'm a district level player. So I do all these things. So I'm yeah, that's all the passions I have. So I think so I've developed all the passions I need and want. If I want to learn more about something in entrepreneurship, I need to learn more financially. So that is the thing I would say.
Thank you. All the best for your ambition.
Same to you. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I am Dakshesh of class 6B. If you after starting your baking, how can you concentrate on your studies?
So this is a frequent question asked by everybody. Are you going to school? Are you studying? Are you able to study? Are you good at studies? All those sorts of things. Yes, I am good at studies, so I am able to balance with my baking. And I write all the things I need to do. Like, if I want to finish something within a day, if I want to finish some subjects within a day, if I want to finish writing something within a day, or I want to finish trying a dish that day itself, I write all those things I need to do on that day, on that particular day. So when I see those things, I know that I need to finish those, and I'll be completing them. So I'll be having leftover time for entrepreneurship as well as baking. So I keep separate time for everything. I keep some time for my school studies. I keep some time for playing, and so like that I have some time for entrepreneurship as well. And yes, and also because of the online classes still going on, I am I have a lot of time.
Thank you.
I am G. Shantarapan of class 68. Who motivated you to do this business?
Okay. I'll say two meanings first to you.
Yes.
Motivation is different, inspiration is different. Motivation means someone pushing you from the back. That is what motivation is. Inspiration is nothing but like you are inspired and you are doing it by yourself. So I am inspired, not motivated.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, you can ask that.
Who inspired you?
Okay, I have five inspirations as well. All are entrepreneurs. So, my first inspiration is C.K. Ranganathan. I'm not sure if you know him. He is the chairman of Kevin Care, and I met him and I met his son too. I'm very inspired by him, and he came from a very small level to a very big level. And my second inspiration is Mr. Horbrith Mahadevan. His real name is Mahadevan. Horbrith was his first brand, so that brand name came into his name, and he has around 15 to 20 cafes, and he's doing like global as well. And he also came from a very small level to a big level, and I like that too. I'm yet to meet him. Now I meet Palla. I met his son Tarun Mahadevan, but I'm yet to meet Mr. Mahadevan. He's my second inspiration. My third inspiration would be Sridhar Vembu sir. He is the founder at Zoho Corporation. Zoho Corporation is like Zoho Books, Zoho Mails and all those sorts of things. He is very simple man. I'm not sure if you know the meaning for frugal. Frugal na ரொம்பவே சிம்பிளா இருக்குது. So frugality அவரோட frugality அதான் எனக்கு ரொம்பவே பிடிக்கும். He is my third inspiration, and அவர் வந்து for example of him is that when I was attending one of the meeting of his, he was the chief guest of it. He was speaking and he was attending in a phone. Even though he was billionaire or trillionaire, he was wearing a very simple dress which was like very frugal. So that inspired me. My fourth inspiration is Suresh Ramanathan sir. Suresh Ramanathan sir is the CEO at Kisflow, a SaaS company. SaaS full form is software as a service. You can Google and see that as well. So you may not be knowing it, but you can go and see. So it is a SaaS company, and he is like spoke to me virtually online, but I'm yet to meet him physically. But I met him online, and he has even interviewed me. So he is my fourth inspiration. My last inspiration is Dr. Velumani. He is from Cryocare. He is also very frugal. He is similar to Sridhar Vembu sir. So these are my five inspirations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Vishal of class 6B, and I have heard you have you have participated in many cooking shows. And how was your experience with cooking in TV shows, and what have you learned from them?
Okay, so yes, I've cooked in many cooking shows. Like it was a great experience, but அங்கே வந்து நிறைய கேமராஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கும். நான் தடவை கேமரா வந்து நிறைய பார்த்ததுன்னா இட்ஸ் இன் ஜெயா டிவி. ஸோ லைக் அவ்வளோ கேமரா இருந்துச்சு, பட் ஐ வாஸ்ன்ட் அஃப்ரைட் பிகாஸ் ஃப்ரம் த யங் ஏஜ் ஐ பீன் ஸ்பீக்கிங் இன் மெனி ஸ்டேஜஸ். ஸோ ஐ நாட் பீன் அஃப்ரைட், பட் லைக் அப்போ தான் நிறைய கேமரா பார்த்தேன். ஐ வாஸ் லைக் அப்படி இதாகிட்டேன். ஸோ இட் வாஸ் அ கிரேட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ். அண்ட் ஆக்சுவலி நான் ஷெஃப் தாமுவோட குக் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருந்தேன் அப்போது. He was saying and I was cooking. So that was a very great experience. There are more to come. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm Sabarish of class 8A. Like, how did you feel when you met or you got an appreciation from Sanjeev Kapoor?
Okay. So Sanjeev Kapoor is a great chef, and actually he's a Padma Shri awardee. I was really cheered when I saw his appreciation. He wrote that I woke up by a message, which was very pleasant, and I really liked that. He's a very big chef, and I think so that appreciation was really big for me. Thank you so much. I still remember it. Thank you.
I am Mithun of 6th standard. What are your failures in baking?
Failures. So I'll say like failures in baking. Sometimes my cake sunk in. லைக் உள்ளே போயிடுச்சு அண்ட் அந்த மாதிரி இருந்திருக்கேன். அண்ட் சுகரியாக இருந்திருக்கு சில தடவை, சுகரி அண்ட் சம்டைம்ஸ் லைக் தட். Entrepreneurship and if you ask in entrepreneurship, there will be more to say. I'll take that as a question as well. So ஏஜ் வந்து ஒரு இதாக இருந்திருக்கும் entrepreneurshipல. ஸோ ஏஜ்னால நிறைய இடத்துல they didn't know me. So that was a big failure as well in entrepreneurship. Like I went to a baking and food expo where they didn't know me because of the age, which was a very big thing, and I was very sad in that time. So because of age, I even faced these failures. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.